Well, good evening and happy Thursday. We started to see that smoky, hazy sky has started to pull its way out. So a little bit of a brighter look on satellite, but we are noting they're off towards the west. There is some increase in the cloud cover, and that's going to be a change up that's taking hold. However, currently we are still underneath some of the concerns of the heat and the fire risk. Now, we are noting that records sit anywhere from those low 90s to those triple digits, and we are noting that several locations here continue to edge towards or have broken those records, and we'll be bringing that official list once we get those numbers in. But overall, it's been a very warm day, as well as noted that has led into that red flag warning to be issued across much of the region due to our dry soils, our dry air conditions, the warm temperatures, and those gusty winds. Now, we are seeing that this red flag warning will gradually expire, especially as those winds continue to fall down here as we head towards sunset. Now, we are watching there as we head into early morning hours of our Friday. Those winds are switching, as what we will see is there is a switch in our pattern, and those switching winds will usher in what will be more of a moisture rich environment, which leads us to talking about not as warm of temperatures. Now, we're still going to stay near normal or above average into those mid to upper 80s, but we're going to stay away from talking about record potential. We do start off our Friday here at 62 and head to a high of 87 degrees, and as we work into more of a moisture rich pattern, we are going to talk about some shower and thunderstorm chances here as we roll throughout our Friday. Now, we're not going to have all day chances, but what we're seeing is that there is a very strong moisture plume that we are getting from that monsoon moisture this time of the year. So we do see here Friday morning even still detecting some cloud cover that is lifting in with some showers there along I-80 to our west. But we'll watch that especially in the afternoon hours. Still with some of that heating there, will pop up some of those thunderstorm chances and really strong chances around the Laramie Range. So that does still pull off towards the east a bit, but not as much organization. A lot of that moisture continues to be concentrated where we have some areas of waves lifting through and what can develop in some of that daytime heating closer to our mountain ranges. So as we look at rainfall accumulation, definitely have some better numbers again closer to that Laramie Range, where we again see some 1/4 inch, even up to 4/10 of an inch, but dragging over the Nebraska Panhandle, we only talk about a few hundredths of an inch. But we all need the rain as those drought conditions have only continued to expand. So we'll continue to monitor this potential, but note that it's definitely going to feel different here as we head into our Friday. Not as warm. The moisture is going to be in place, which gives us that afternoon thunderstorm risk. So if you do have some Friday evening plans, do stay wary of those thunderstorms. Still warm again. We're still near normal. We're not dealing with cold conditions, but the pullback in those temperatures will continue to be seen at least through Saturday as we stay underneath some of those likely storm chances. We may include an isolated storm chance on Sunday, but Sunday will be our changeover that will move us back into what will be a warm and dry forecast.